Hey guys, this is Judge with PremoPress. Thanks for coming to our WP Scrubs pre-launch webinar. It's the first one we've done, so hopefully we will get through this technically. We're using Google Hangouts, which we've used personally but not professionally, so hopefully that'll work well, and we're supplementing that process with some software from called RunClick, which helps facilitate that. I think we had some issues with it early on. People said that the countdown screen was giving them all zeros a few days ago, and of course it should be going to now, but I don't know how prevalent that was. I do see some people coming on. That's great. Hello, hello. Good morning to all of you. Let's see. There's a red bar on the bottom right-hand side. It's a chat bar. If you'll select that and enter your name and email address, let us know you're here. And we'll get started. We'll see if people are still joining. Hello, hello. Thanks for joining us. Okay, I will get started here. Hey, welcome to the webinar. If you're just joining us, please take a look at the chat bar down the bottom right and enter your name and your email address, and so we can record that you're here and give everybody a shot at winning the free themes. And you can chat with us during the webinar. If we don't get to your questions, you can send us a Facebook message or something, and we'll be happy to try to answer the questions there. But I just wanted to do a quick little presentation here and then introduce WP Scrubs. Again, welcome to the webinar. We're talking a little bit about our mission as PremoPress, review what we've done thus far this year, and talk a little bit about what's going on next, and then launch WP Scrubs. So let's get started. Again, if you're just joining us, welcome to the webinar. And we're using Google Hangouts, first time that we've done that, and we're using a RunClick software to supplement that, so that's going to go well. I'm seeing some in the chat that are saying that they're not getting in, so I apologize for that. But if you are, you can. If you are in, you can see the red chat bar at the bottom right. If you click on that, it'll pop up, and you can enter your name and email address. Let us know that you're here, and you can use that to chat with us during the webinar. And questions and comments are welcome. And then we're going to launch WP Scrubs at the end. Okay, our mission at PremoPress is to make your life easier, and we do that by building products with these attributes. We want to offer value that just blows away the price, and our experience is, and people have told us about how they're installing our themes in the same theme over and over again in 10, 20, upwards of 50 locations. That strikes me as a lot of value. We're very proud of that, and we want to continue to improve those themes, make them last, multi-years in the website business. A few years is a long life cycle, but we want to continue improving the themes that we have, and we'll sunset them as they make sense. But for now, we're able to upgrade those themes that are getting long in the tooth. And our third mission is basically to make sure you have confidence in the products, so you have confidence in presenting them to your clients, and confidence that you're going to get support from us in helping you make them work for you. So let's take a look back at how the year has gone so far. We've added some new team members, some developers who are working on new theme development as well as support. We've also added a customer service person to help with the forum. Hopefully that is improving things, and we are able to get out solutions and quality themes, as well as answer your questions in a timely manner. The themes we've done thus far: WP Takeout Genie, restaurant theme; WP Fit Club, and WP City Tour, a tourism theme; WP Truevine, church theme; and most recently WP Inkslinger, a theme for authors. The older themes that we were able to update so far this year: Clean and Flossy 2.0, we moved to; Contractor theme got bumped to 2.0, and Tasty Place was rolled out as a 2.0. Some major features that we've added over the last few themes: the parallax feature, which we have mixed reviews. Some people like it, some people don't. The good thing is you can turn it off. There's a function in WP Admin where you can speed up the parallax feature or take it down to 0 where there's no parallax at all and you're just using a background image. I think there are clients where it makes sense and some I think where it doesn't, but it can be a really cool looking feature with the right background images and the right style desired for a particular client. Sticky header most people like, but you can also turn that one off if you want in WP Admin. So here's the themes that we're looking at next on our radar that you can look forward to. These are all largely based on what input we got on a survey we did a few months ago. Musician theme, sports fan page, event and conference theme, a video site, and a magazine is on our radar. So if you like those, comment on which ones you like. If you have some other thoughts on your mind as to what we ought to be thinking about, please send that to chat or let us know on our Facebook page or send us an email. Other things we're looking at, during that survey we did, we found out PayPal is still the predominant payment processor, according to you guys. About 55% of you are happy with PayPal, and that's your primary target. The other ones were kind of across the board as to what other payment processors you're interested in, and there's hundreds, so we're down to one vote for a lot of them, so or one mention of them. So based on that, clearly we need to support PayPal, but we have a large number of people that would be very interested in supporting something beyond PayPal. And our thought is right now that our best way to do that would be through a product like WooCommerce, where we can support PayPal plus hundreds of others that you can access. So we're working on a project right now to implement a shopping cart with WooCommerce and see if we can start implementing that into our themes. So keep an eye out for that. Please provide just in the chat box, give us any feedback you have on WooCommerce, what you think about it, what you think about payment processor support, etc. Okay, other projects we're working on is in the forum. We're reviewing moving from the forum private message based support to a ticket-based support, where you'll go into a customer service site and get a ticket, and it'll be basically email after that, back and forth, which I know a lot of you will like. But I'm curious as to what you have to say about it. If you can give us some feedback, I would appreciate it. If you have any suggestions on ticket-based systems that you like, you can Facebook us or email us with those, or send it to the chat. But then, just give us your thoughts on whether you like the forum private message or possibly a ticket-based support system. And okay, on to WP Scrubs. 80% of internet users seek healthcare information online. It's pretty much a business imperative that medical companies, have a sharp-looking website, and I think this theme is going to be highly sought after by all types of medical specialties. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so we're looking at WP Scrubs, the demo, and you'll see this is the home page. Each one of these sections is a widget that you can, this has a background image, this has a color. All of them can have their own background image or color, so you can choose the color or substitute a background image behind each one of these. So you got numerous widgets to choose from. Video widget, services, we just specify the office hours, multi-location, directions, etc. Take a look at the about some of the other pages. Additional information you can provide. On the About page, we have the Testimonials widget. You could put that elsewhere if you want. Substitute one of the other ones in here for this. Staff page. You can see the parallax in action right here. You can see it, the background moving slightly faster than the other. I think it's set on 4 right now, but again, you can turn that off or make it faster or slower. And then on the staff page, you can drill down and see an individual doctor. And then it has the blog page. Let's see, I'm told we're not seeing the demo. Well, let me go back and restart that. So here is the demo that I was trying to show you before. My mistake. And so here's the home page. Here are all the widgets that I was talking about. the About page and the Staff page. There's the parallax. Here's the blog. And then we have an appointment page where you can request an appointment in a particular time, and this is submitted to the back end, and someone can call the person and set up an actual time and confirm a time with them. And then location directions, where we have you can have multiple addresses if you want. So that is about it for the WP Scrubs demo. Sorry you didn't see it there the whole time. Let's see. But we're a few minutes before the official launch, so we want to go ahead and let's see. Go ahead and announce the winners, and then go ahead and send a buy button so you can move over to the sales page and get a jump on purchasing the theme. The theme winners were Lancelot Duloc, Jimmy Hoskins, Morris Murphy, Ryan Bessling, and Jane Collins. Congratulations, and we'll should have access to those to the WP Scrubs theme this afternoon. So everyone else, I am going to put out a buy button, and that will be the end of the webinar. But you can push that button and you'll get an early start on purchasing the theme. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.